Ever been in a new city and thought, uh-oh, how do I ask where the bus station is? Well, today's lesson has got you covered. We're talking all about how to ask for and give directions in everyday English, clearly, confidently, and politely. You'll learn super useful phrases like, how do I get to the bus station? Turn left at the corner. It's just 1 block from here. We'll break down important vocabulary like block, intersection, and corner, and show you how to use prepositions of direction like next to, across from, and behind. Plus, you'll hear several short, realistic conversations to help you sound more natural and fluent when someone asks you for directions, or when you're the one who's a little lost. So stick around and let's get you moving in the right direction. Block. A block is a rectangular area within a city that is surrounded by streets and typically contains multiple buildings. Is there a grocery store near here? Yes, just walk 1 block down this street. It's on the left. Corner. A corner is where 2 streets meet. Where's the bakery? It's right on the corner, next to the flower shop. Turn left and turn right. Excuse me, how do I get to the movie theater? Turn left at the corner, then right at the second street. It's on your left. Go straight. Can you tell me the way to the nearest ATM? Sure, go straight for 2 blocks. It'll be on your right, next to the coffee shop. Cross the street. Where's the pharmacy? Just cross the street and you'll see it right in front of you. Intersection. An intersection is where 2 roads cross over each other. I'm looking for the library. It's at the intersection of Pine Street and 2nd Avenue. You can't miss it. Traffic light. How do I get to the bus station? Go straight until you reach the traffic light. Then turn right. It's just around the corner. Next to. Do you know where the pet store is? Yes, it's next to the post office, just past the park. Across from. I'm trying to find the museum. It's across from the city hall, right across the street. Behind. Where's the parking lot? It's behind the shopping mall. In front of. Do you know where the bus stop is at? Yep, it's in front of the post office. Review time. It's time to test what you learned. What is this called? A stop sign. A traffic light. A crosswalk. It's a traffic light. What is this called? A corner. A block. An intersection. It's an intersection. What is this called? A block, a bus stop, a crosswalk. It's a block. What direction is this? Turn left, turn right, go straight. Turn left. Which sign means parking? This one, with the P for parking. Where is the flower shop? Next to the bakery, behind the bakery, in front of the bakery. The flower shop is next to the bakery. Where is the parking lot? Next to the mall, behind the mall, in front of the mall. The parking lot is behind the mall. Where is the pharmacy? Next to the post office, behind the parking lot, or 1 block from the park. The pharmacy is 1 block from the park. Where is the library? Across the street from the museum, on the corner of Pine Street and 2nd Avenue, 1 block from the park. On the corner of Pine Street and 2nd Avenue. You are at the post office. How do you get to the grocery store? Go straight 4 blocks and turn left. Turn left and then go 3 blocks. Go straight 2 blocks, it's on your right. Go straight 2 blocks, it's on your right. Great job! You did awesome today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll get. So keep going, keep smiling, and most of all, have fun with English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay awesome, and don't get lost.